Order of operations. Let us take a simple sum 1 plus 2 into 3. Calculation 1 shows 1 plus 2 equal to 3 and 3 into 3 equal to 9. Calculation 2 shows 2 into 3 equal to 6 and 1 plus 6 is 7. Now the same sum cannot have two different answers. So obviously at least one of these answers is wrong. How do we decide which is the correct answer and which is the wrong answer? Which operation is to be performed first and which operation is to be performed later? These rules are called order of operations rules. They are popularly known by an acronym called BODMAS. In BODMAS, B stands for bracket. The bracket has the highest priority, and if there are nested brackets, the innermost bracket is evaluated first. Next is O, which is order or index. So index is performed, evaluated next. Then division and multiplication have equal priority and they are evaluated from left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction have equal priority and they are evaluated from left to right. I want to propose a slight modification in the BODMAS rules. I'll explain why. In the modified BODMAS, the bracket rule remains the same. It has the highest priority, and in nested brackets, the innermost bracket is evaluated first. Next is order or index. That also rule remains the same. Next is division. Now there is a slight difference here. You convert division into multiplication by taking reciprocal of the number. Then you perform multiplication, and the sequence is immaterial. You can perform in any order or all the multiplications together. Then comes addition. In this rule, you add all the positive numbers and add all the negative numbers. Then you will be left with one positive number and one negative number at the most, and you perform subtraction. Why am I proposing this change? Let us see with the help of an example. There is a sum involving divisions and multiplications. We go from left to right, doing one operation at a time, and after certain number of steps, we reach the answer. Let us look at the modified BODMAS way of doing it. We convert divisions into multiplication by taking reciprocal of the number following the division sign. So divide by 3 becomes into 1 by 3, and divide by 1 by 2 becomes multiplication by 2 by 1. Then we multiply the numerators and integers. So 1 into 1 into 5 into 2, 5 into 2 is 10, into 4 is 40, and multiply all the denominators. 3 into 1 is 3. Let's also look at the addition subtraction example. We have a sum. We perform the operations from left to right. and in certain number of steps we reach the answer. In modified BODMAS, we add all the positive numbers. So 1 plus 5, 6, plus 6, 12, and all the negative numbers, 3 plus 7, 10, plus 4, 14, and this 14 is with negative sign, and 12 minus 14 is minus 2. So we get the same answer, but the number of steps are less in modified BODMAS. You can either use standard BODMAS rules or modified BODMAS rules as you like.